In the last video you learned how to correct a document. But what if you receive a corrected document? How do you handle the corrections? That's what you will learn in this lesson. The first thing we have to do is to go to the Review tab and check if the Track Changes option is deactivated. If it is activated, then deactivate it. Now we click at the very beginning of our document and click one time on Accept. Word will then jump to the first correction. We now have to decide if we want to accept the change, if we want to reject it, or if we simply want to skip it. So just to show you the process, I'm going to accept the first change, then I reject the second one and skip the next one. If we would want to accept all changes at once, we could open the drop-down of the Accept button and select Accept all changes. The same would also work with rejecting the changes. Now what you will notice is that comments can't be accepted or rejected. We can either click on Resolve to make the comment look grayed out, or we can click in the comment and then select Delete to completely delete the comment. Again, if we would want to delete all comments at once, we would have to open the Delete dropdown and select Delete all comments in document. And that's it. Now you know how to accept or reject changes and how to delete comments in Word. Go ahead and watch the other videos to learn more about reviewing a document.